Currently, how engaging is your website? Before answering this question, look at how long traffic stays on your website. Surprise, right? Any business needs to have an engaging landing page to entice audiences to buy products and services they need to contribute to better sales performance. Therefore, before you start putting together your landing page, think about the outcomes you wish to accomplish. Before we skip to what you should include in your landing page, let's look at why it's essential to optimize it. It's not a good landing page, it needs to be great. Landing pages are the first impression that marks a potential customer experience when they first visit your website after clicking an ad they discovered through your PPC advertising. Like book covers, people would judge your business based on its content. Knowing this, you want to reflect relevant content for people browsing your landing page to keep them engaged based on their initial search intent. Now, ready for what's next? Let's dive into the 5 essentials of a successful landing page. Number 1, a bold and creative main headline. One of the first things users will read when they first visit your landing page will be the headline. The main pillar of an engaging landing page is to keep your headline as attractive and relevant as possible. Writing a headline that captures your business's essence will dictate how long someone spends on your website. Pro tip, use keywords in your headline to connect with the user's search query and contribute to SEO ranking. Visualization and design are also important components of a landing page. Choosing font size and font style aligned with your branding can do wonders in the eye of an audience. Another pointer to keep in mind for your main headline is to include at least one unique selling proposition that can highlight your businesses from your competition. There's more to learn on how to build an SEO-friendly landing page. Watch our YouTube video through our channel. Number 2, say more with visuals. Visual content is another core component for impactful landing pages. Images paint a picture of what to expect from content. Ensuring they're relevant to the content they're used for will weigh heavily on the user's engagement. Landing pages should always include images that add value to the content while building brand awareness for your business. Visuals you display on your website should emit credibility and a sense of the high quality of your product and service. 3, include contact forms. While setting up your landing page, always include a contact form where people can easily submit their info. This benefits for easier reach to qualify leads. People interested in leaving information for you to contact them are more likely to purchase or hire services from your business. Pro tip, place your contact form above the fold of your page for easy access. This way, users won't need to scroll to leave their information. 4, don't just use your words, include client testimonials. It's always a good idea to have customer reviews as part of your business strategy for first impressions on your landing page. Social proof and user experience are strong drivers of influence for your business. It also gives the prospect better expectations and a higher intent to buy or to hire your services. Your business is much more likely to build trust with clients if they can read what other people say about your business's services and experience results. 5, call to action. Here's your hook to lure in audiences. All previous components we mentioned tie into your call to action. Convincing people to perform a specific action on a landing page is every business end goal and is the last message designed to lead the user to convert. A CTA needs to highlight the urgency to perform an action such as request a consultation, get a quote, call our businesses, and much more. The type of CTA will depend on your business objective and how it benefits the purchase of a product or hiring of services. Now let's sum it up for you to take a note. Here are 5 best practices that can improve your landing page for optimal performance. Have an SEO-friendly headline that captures the attention of new users. Use relevant images that tie to the landing page content. Make room for a contact form that falls above the top fold of the page. Provide client testimonials and reviews that relay experience with your product or service. Include a CTA that drives users to learn more about your business or contact you. If you're craving more SEO tips to help you increase traffic flow, go ahead and watch this video. Takeaways. Your landing page is a portal to engage and convert users into clients. Start the optimization process by leveraging the 5 components we outlined so you can be well on your way to attracting visitors to convert them into customers. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to get notified of our latest videos about digital marketing. We post new content every week. See you soon.